we're doing this looking at the eye tracking thing, but we're actually looking at using it as a camera as well for the live video stream. Yeah, we're using this audio transcription and speech analysis tool that will probably need to improve. One thing about it is that it just stops transcribing after some time. So there's some sort of timeout to it. It's transcribing pretty well though. I guess if I'm talking directly to the microphone. Also, what else we've got? So we'll be using the bots, couple bots as to assist us today. We're using ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot. Right, so now the problem with this transcription is that I cannot correct anything. So it's getting names wrong because yeah, they must be not in some sort of database. So yeah, just ignore the names. We don't want to mention any names anyway. We're using two robots, two large language models for development assistance, video production, the whole lot. Yeah, can we just do quick responses so it's more of a conversation? Yeah, the reason I'm actually doing it is because there was a microphone option in here that will transcribe your sound, and it just stopped working all of a sudden. I don't know what's happening with one of my eyes. Yeah, I need to correct the darkness threshold. Will it depend on the light in the room? I have both natural light coming this way and artificial light coming the other way. Now it's working a bit better, but we'll keep testing this.
Allowing viewers to see where you're looking in real time, or even controlling elements on the screen through gaze.
Okay, that sounds great. Yeah, we have all sorts of metrics for the transcription service. There's a volume, maximum volume, minimum volume. Okay, it might need refreshing the page. Refreshing the page. Yeah, that seemed to work. Yes, we have a couple of volume metrics. Maximum volume, minimum volume at 0 at the moment, maximum volume at 19. Yep, that's correct. We have a speech rate metric, so that's my maximum speech rate is about half, well, something watts per second. I think would be, my guess would have been like 1 watt per second. But yes, it's fluctuating a bit, so you can see it on the speech rate watts per second chart. So you can measure your own speech rate. The minimum speech rate is 0. Yeah, not very useful because yes, these two metrics will be 0. Well, now the minimum volume is, I guess if you keep talking for this window size, then the minimum speech rate will actually give you something more useful. And we have the transcriber status on, but I'm assuming when it's off, I haven't seen it actually becoming off, but when it's off, that's when transcription would not be working anymore. So that's kind of nice. We'll keep testing this tool. Yeah, let me know if you tried it out and if you have any suggestions as to how to improve it. That would be nice. Could actually do it during one of the live streams.
You've been working with several metrics related to audio analysis, like maximum and minimum volume levels. Right now, the minimum volume is 0, which might not be very useful unless the speech rate window size is adjusted to provide more meaningful values. It looks like the speech rate fluctuates, and you're observing these changes in real time, which allows you to measure your own speaking speed. The transcription status seems to remain on as long as it is actively working, and you haven't seen it switch off yet, which is encouraging. But there might be a need for more testing to understand how it handles longer sessions or continuous use. You're also exploring how to train the transcription tool on your own voice to improve accuracy, particularly in recognizing certain words or phrases. This customization could make it more effective during live streams, reducing the need for corrections and keeping the flow of the conversation more natural. At the same time, you're using webcam-based eye tracking to enhance your live stream by adding another layer of interactivity, which sounds like an exciting direction. Looking forward, you're interested in finding good open-source datasets, particularly for cardiology and brainwave activities, that are publicly available for anyone to use. This would help expand the content and capabilities of your tools and provide more opportunities for interactive applications.
Yeah, so I guess the transcription stopped working now. Yeah, we have the volume keep going, but the speech rate, oh, it's just dying out. Obviously a bug. The transcriber status indicating still on. Yeah, that would have been the last feature we added, and it's not actually working pretty well. So unfortunately, yeah, we have to restart the audio transcription every time. I don't know why there is some sort of timeout. So if you leave it going without speaking for some time, it just stops transcribing. Let's see if that's still transcribing. Yes, it is. Yeah, we're getting an error for the speech recognition network. Yeah, I have to restart this page for it to start transcribing again. I don't know why we're getting the following error as appears above. It is working, it's doing something useful. It's transcribing voice, giving you metrics. I think that transcriber status must be wrong because, yeah, when we're receiving that error, the status obviously should be off because it's not transcribing anymore. But yeah, can we fix all these problems all at once? Probably not.